And we're live. Hey there. I want to take a few minutes to explain what I plan on doing here with this hopefully series of streams. I plan on doing a deep dive into WordPress, and specifically I plan on looking at issues that are not yet very well covered, or I think can be covered more, and also like to show my process of debugging or reading through a code base. In this case, particular WordPress's code base. However, the first thing I want to start with, and is I think going to be very interesting for me, is the new editor experience in WordPress 5.0, Gutenberg. If you haven't heard about it yet, well, it's going to be the new default experience in WordPress. It's going to change how we create content, and it's going to do so dramatically. There's a lot of controversy around Gutenberg. A lot of people are worried about their clients' websites, and specifically how their clients will react to the changes. There's also valid worries that would the update the editing experience in WordPress, especially for customized websites or websites that use third-party drag and drop page builders, will break. And I think it's a valid thing to be worried about. There is a relatively simple escape route for this, and it's basically just installing an additional plugin called Classic Editor, which basically brings back the old TinyMC as we're used to it. But anyway, let's leave all of this politics aside and let's just talk about Gutenberg a little bit more. So I have waited quite a long time to start working with Gutenberg. I haven't tested it much yet. I have just installed it once and played around with it just a tiny bit, but I haven't actually started developing for Gutenberg yet because I wanted to wait until it reached a point where it's very close to what it's going to be like when it ships with WordPress 5.0. And I think this is about the right time. We have a couple of months. WordPress 5.0 is scheduled for release sometime in April 2018, so that's about 4-ish months from now, and now seems like a good time to get into Gutenberg and start developing. I personally haven't even read the documentation on how you create blocks, so this is going to be a completely new experience for me. It's going to be a journey from start to finish. Well, from start, we'll get somewhere. I don't know where we'll get to. So if you haven't started developing Gutenberg blocks yet, just like me, or you have started and you have gotten stuck, or you've left it aside, I think this could be a fun experience for you if you're excited about developing with Gutenberg, that is, of course. And yeah, I would really like to have you join me during this experience. And yeah, it's gonna happen sometimes in the next week or two. I'm thinking we'll start with the first exploration of the documentation and developing for Gutenberg. And as you can see here, we have a blank WordPress site that we're going to be working with. There's absolutely nothing on it. No plugins, nothing, and we're gonna start from pretty much ground zero, installing Gutenberg, testing it, and all of that stuff. Well, I hope you're interested, and if you are, I hope to see you sometime soon in the near future. I will be streaming here from my office at potentially crazy hours like this one, but maybe not, hopefully not. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'll keep posted on Twitter probably about when I plan on doing the next live streams, but if you miss the live stream, not a big deal, you can go and watch it later on. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon.